Hi!
I'm Sha,
And I'm Andrea.
and we're from Kanata Education. And today, let's talk about 5 steps to strengthen your student visa application and avoid rejection. Number 1, nail your SOP or statement of purpose. Number 2, show genuine intent to study.
And number 3, prove you can afford it. And number 4, get your documents in order.
And number 5, stay honest and consistent. And remember, nandito ang Kanata Education para tulungan ka.
Hindi mo kailangan kabahan kung paano simulan ng lahat. Dahil nandito kami para gabayan ka hanggang makarating ka sa target country mo. Tara na! Simulan na natin yung journey mo.